You're going to be bidding on a Fowler height gauge. This thing is 18 inches tall. We put a battery in it. It was blinking, but you tapped it. It's probably has a loose contact. But now it's working. I don't really know how to work this thing, but it's working. Evidently, you can set it at a height and then reset it. I'll have pictures of this also. Off and on works. I don't know what these buttons do. I don't know. So that cleared it. Clear works. Looks like you have to, oh, I did something here. I don't know. At any rate, it probably needs some kind of cleaning of the contacts because when I tapped it, it started working and it worked as it should, I'm assuming. I don't know. Try it again. Something I'm not doing right here. But this is what you're seeing. I'm going to sell it as needs repair, but maybe it doesn't. Good luck bidding.